Now, your forecast from Fox 56 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. Talking about cold weather here for us once again tonight into early parts of tomorrow morning. That cold weather advisory in play for everybody. That's the main highlight of the forecast here as we roll through tonight. Take a look at just how cold these temperatures are going to go. Now, current air temperatures are still above zero. It's not going to take long to get them below zero, though, as we roll into the overnight tonight, because all the cloud cover and the light flurries that we've got going on are going to clear out, and it's going to just continue to get very cold for us. Some -6 and 7 on the map, even -8 in our typically cool spot in Monticello. We're looking at 3 below here in Lexington. Now, Lexington has had lows below zero many times over its history. In the last 365 days, it's only happened once. So on this date, back in 2024, our low temperature was 7 below. Now, typically, on climate average, we do it once a year. And that's 10 times in the past decade that we've done it. So once every year in the decade makes sense. But 5 of them came in 2015 and 2 happened last year. So this is not an every year thing guaranteed. It's going to be something that is a little significant for us as we roll into tonight. We've got temperatures going back into the low 20s to upper 20s in some spots in southern Kentucky tomorrow, but some cloud cover gets in the way tomorrow afternoon to keep us from really feeling warm. Wind chills are also, with any tiny breeze, going to drop 5, 10, even 15 degrees below zero for us in the feels like department early Wednesday. They do come up out of the single digits tomorrow afternoon, so that's a nice change for us. Then as we roll into tomorrow night into Thursday, single digit above zero wind chills likely for us there, and we continue with that theme through Thursday afternoon. The real warmth doesn't come in until we start getting towards the weekend, and just something to give you some warmer thoughts. It looks like into early February, above normal starts to work into the central part of the U.S., which could mean that we get to taste that as we get into that maybe that second week of February. If we look at snow chances for us the rest of tonight, well, eastern Kentucky has some nice snow showers ongoing still. The cloud cover is starting to thin out and move away for us as that wave goes by. High pressure rolls in. That's what's going to allow the clear sky and those bitter cold temperatures. And as we roll into Futurecast here, you'll see I had to put something see-through for you so you could tell where we are, but that high pressure rolls through to keep things clear before another little wave starts to bring some cloud cover tomorrow afternoon. Still some sunshine in there, no doubt, but a new wave comes in for Thursday. So while we don't get much warming, we are going to see another chance for maybe a couple of flurries as we go throughout our Thursday. That's going to be a theme for us too on Friday, a secondary little wave that comes in to help at least start to bring those temperatures back up by the weekend. Finally above freezing on Saturday, 40, but then Sunday we'll be watching for a slushy mix to come through, and those temperatures are going to balance out somewhere in the 30s through the beginning of next week.